Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, and today's video not unboxing, not tech related video. Today's video is comparison of two different wireless headphone. One wireless headphone comes in Sony brand and second one is a JBL. JBL is a very popular brand, especially on Europe, and Sony brand is popular of entire the world. What is the difference between of two different headphones? First of all, we will discuss about the price. This headphone price here in Copenhagen, Denmark, around 400 Danish krona, means 4,500 INR in between. And this headphone price just only 299 Danish krona. So comparison of price, this is expensive compared to the Sony brand. And then other features, this is the Sony CH510, this is a JBL Junior Kids 310 beta version. So this is especially on kid plus 3 years to less than 7 or 8 years, and this headphone plus 5 years, so you can use as adult also. Now we'll discuss about the battery. JBL headphone non-stop 30 hour. You can listen the music, watch the videos, or traveling of 30 hour, play 30 hour, you can listen non-stop music. And this Sony brand comes here 35 hour non-stop music you can listen. Another important points come here, you just charge 10 minutes and again listen 90 minutes, means charging capacity is quite fast and amazing. You just spend 10 minutes and use again 90 minutes. And this one you just charge 5 minutes and listen 2 hours, means around 60 hours. For the charging point of view, it's quite similar kind of output you can receive very easily. If your age is greater than 8 year old, so this headphone it's quite interesting as my point of view. So junior also using this headphone and senior adult also using this particular headphone. And this headphone price is not so expensive and not so cheap. It's affordable. Everyone can buy very easily this Sony Bluetooth headphone. And this headphone disadvantage and advantage is this is not adult, this is just only in a kid's point of view. They are making for the specially kid. And second thing, this Sony headphone producing its loud music, and this headphone are not producing loud music. If you are listen this music, so your ear not a harm single percentage. But if you are playing loud music here, so sometimes you are irritating of the loud music. So this is a disadvantage of this one. So now I just simply play one song in this headphone. So now I just simply play one song, same song in this headphone and full voice of my laptop. This is a full voice of this headphone. Now I just simply connect this one and we'll see of music, loudness. So this is a loudly music are producing this headphone, and this is a comfortable music. This headphone are producing very comfort music. If you purchasing this specific Bluetooth wireless headphone for your kids and he or she age is less than 10, so I can suggest fully 100 out of 100 you can purchase this one and go with this. If your kid is greater than 12-year-old or like me, so I can suggest you can purchase this one. It's battery backup, music and quality is quite amazing. 35 hours non-stop music you can listen, and within a 10 minute you can charge 90-minute audio. So that one is really amazing. Traveling point of view also it's amazing. If you are traveling like a Mumbai to New York and 18 hours non-stop flight, so this your journey is a finish. This headphone battery is not finished. So this is the biggest advantage, and this is a simple review and comparison of two different brands. So which brand you like after watching this video? You have any question, so you can ask me. I will definitely help you. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.